morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Oh, what a week. But hey, cooking is my therapy. Oops. One of my new shirts. Could be yours too. Very soon. I'm working on it. I got most of it done. The website, that is. So yeah. Last night, the culinary expedition continued, and we were in Peru. Man, Peru was fun. I got to do a blend, got to play with some new ingredients, and I prepared Peruvian-style arroz con pollo. I equate this to a Peruvian Indian plow. It's a rice dish. It's a one-potter. It's very good. The difference is basically the spice palette. Peru has its own unique blend of spices and herbs. There are some similarities, but the chili pepper that's used in this Peruvian dish is something that India does not have. So that's the main difference. But it's really good. I have leftovers. It does make a lot. I mean, I did a half recipe. I did a half recipe, and I could have eaten more, but I wanted leftovers. Being Friday, it's Pasta Friday. I found this little gem floating around on the internet, and I'm like, there's something I can do on a Friday. I'm doing creamy spinach, mushroom, shrimp shells. No linguine, shells. You could use linguine with this. So let's get to it. All right, here we are on the hardware side. I'll definitely be using the brazier today because I miss it, and it works really well for stuff like this. So I got the brazier, we got the Dutch oven for the shells, and so forth. So got about a half pound of 1620 shrimp. These were purchased at Winco. Really good price for one bag of these 1620s. Kosher salt, black pepper, some oil for the brazier, garlic. You see the shells. These are a medium shell. Good old cremini mushrooms, some heavy whipping cream, spinach, good old grated Parmesan, and I'm actually going to use some Szechuan chili flakes. I'm really starting to like them. So here's all the goodies for tonight's Friday pasta meal. So did you survive the heat yesterday? I did my best. I hydrated and kept cool and so forth, but it's going to be even hotter today. So stay hydrated, stay in the shade if you work outdoors, if you can, and try to stay cool. All right, so on this Friday, this Pasta Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.